Hey pizza lovers, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I'm Selena, and today we're firing up the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven, a sleek propane-powered beast that promises restaurant-quality 16-inch pizzas in just 60 seconds. Want to know if this is the ultimate backyard pizza maker? Stick around and check the Amazon link in the description for the best deal. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about features. The Gozney Arc XL is a compact outdoor oven with a 20mm removable cordierite stone for crispy crusts. Its lateral gas burner mimics a wood-fired flame, spreading heat evenly for perfect bakes. It hits 950 degrees in about 40 minutes, with a digital temperature gauge and intuitive knob for precise control. The wide oven mouth makes sliding and turning pizzas easy, and it's pre-assembled, just connect the propane and go. Plus, it's got a stylish bone-white finish and optional accessories like a stand or cover for convenience. Now the pros, this oven is a game-changer. I made a Neapolitan pizza in under a minute with blistered edges and a perfect crust. The heat retention is unreal. 2-layer insulation keeps it hot pizza after pizza, no door needed. It's fuel efficient, using minimal propane, and the large cooking space handles 16-inch pies with room to spare. Setup is a breeze, and the design looks stunning in any backyard. For $900, it's a solid value compared to the pricier Gozney Dome. But there are some cons. It's propane only, so no wood-fired flavor option. The 58.5-pound weight isn't super portable, and accessories like the $50 cover or $250 stand add to the cost. The 16-inch peel isn't included, which is a bummer for launching big pizzas. Also, the digital thermometer's 30-minute auto shutoff can be annoying mid-cook. I recommend the Gozney Arc XL for pizza enthusiasts, from beginners to pros who want fast, consistent, high-quality results. It's perfect for family pizza nights or impressing friends with New York or Detroit-style pies. If you need portability or wood-fired flavor, consider the Rockbox or Dome instead. But for most home cooks, this oven delivers. Ready to make epic pizza? Click the link in the description to grab the Gozney Arc XL on Amazon for the best pricing and special promotions through Rick's Review Hub. Your support keeps these reviews coming. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's keep the pizza party going.